we're in the process of setting this new aquarium up at the moment, and the things that we're going to be concerned about now, because it's a new aquarium, we've just put our carbonate hardness generator into the water, and we'll check the pH to make sure that our pH is where we want it, which for this particular aquarium we want it just above 7. So the way we're going to check the pH is we just fill the test tube up to the line with the aquarium water. Then we're going to put in 3 drops of this, and then we're just going to compare the colour to the colour chart. So there's the pH colour chart, and we're going to want this tank to be, say, 7.2. We'll be pretty happy for this. That's how you check the pH. Then once we've got fish in there, so we want to do this before we put fish in. Then once we've got fish in, then we're going to start getting fish waste. It's good to check your ammonia and nitrite before you get fish for good luck. But essentially, once the fish go in there, we want to test ammonia. Ammonia is first degree fish waste. So when you got fish in there, when you buy the fish, it's good to not feed them for the first 2 days, and then you feed them a small amount. You fill the vial up to 5 mils. Then you get number 1, and you put in 8 drops. Then you shake that and give it a bit of time. Then you got number 2, and you put in 8 drops. Shake that and give it 5 minutes, and then you compare the colour chart. We really want it to be 0. If it's not 0, then we want to put a 5 times dose of prime in every day to detoxify the ammonia. Water change wouldn't hurt, and put a bit of good bacteria in to seed the tank. Then the ammonia is then going to break down as bacteria grows into nitrite. So the way we're going to check the nitrite is we're going to get the nitrite one. We're going to put in 5 mils. Then we're going to put in 5 drops of this. Then we look at the colour and compare it to nitrite. Nitrite we also want to be 0. If the nitrite is up a bit, we do the same thing as we do with ammonia, which is we put a 5 times dose of prime in to detoxify the nitrite, and we add some good bacteria, bit of a water change, keep the feeding down. Then over time the ammonia will break into nitrite, then nitrite into nitrate. As your nitrate starts coming up, usually you want to get your gravel cleaner out and do some water changes. And the way you check your nitrate is you just put in up to the line with water from the aquarium. Then you just grab the one that says nitrate 1, and you put in 10 drops. Then you shake it, wait a little bit of time. Then you get bottle 2, put in 10 drops, shake it, wait 5 minutes. Then you compare the nitrate colour. Now, if your nitrate starts coming up, some water changes would be a good idea. And nitrate is nowhere near as toxic as ammonia or nitrite. Those ones there are very urgent. These ones here are not so important. Just more regular water changes, and then you'll be fine.